Guys, you're welcome to my channel, and this is the Flookiesden. On this channel we'll talk about everything that makes settlement easy for new immigrants who are looking forward to coming into a new country like Canada to settle, and we share tips and tricks about everything they need to look forward to make settlement easier for them in the long haul. My name is Flookie, and you're welcome to Flookiesden. It's celebration, it's happy moment. Whew, it's a tiring year. We all have we've shut down for the year for work, and the girl is treating herself to a massage. So I'm going to have a massage today on my way to having a massage. Oh, some people are looking jealously at me. Okay, I'm going to say that again. I'm going to have a massage, a well-deserved one at that. And I think everyone that has worked so hard needs to treat his or herself to something really good this end of year. You can have a foot soak, you can have a massage, you can just do things that would ease off the stress off your body. It is very important. I see 2022 as another stressful year coming up, because I know already for work we've been told that there's going to be so much of workload and things, so I have to relax. I'm trying to take the break that I have for the rest of the year to actually unwind, do the things I love to do best, like baking, hanging out with my friends, fellowshipping with brethren, and then having a tour of the city, right? Doing things that I really love doing. And then another thing is also to relax. Yeah, relax. I'm going to also do a lot of that in my house, take time out to relax and ease the stress of 2021. 2022, we are hitting you hard with "we are ready for you." So how are you guys preparing for 2022? Let's go have massage. Come on, let's go. Follow me to my massage place. It's Hands and Stone on Stonebridge, and I'm going to take you through as I drive into the place. You see what it looks like. If you're in Saskatoon, you can check them out. Wonderful experience I always have when I go there, so you can try them out. I'm running late. Bye guys.